Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to use Bing Chat as a Chinese translator. To get started, open your browser and type bing.com. And if you haven't logged in yet, make sure to do so before we continue. Imagine effortlessly translating Chinese text into English using Bing Chat. It is simpler than you might think. Just paste the Chinese text into the chat and type "Translate this in English." Then press enter. Bing Chat will swiftly and adeptly provide you with an accurate English translation, capturing the essence of the Chinese content. But the linguistic journey doesn't end there. If your curiosity guides you to translate an English phrase into Chinese, the process maintains its consistent charm. Just as before, use "Translate this in Chinese" before entering the relevant English text. Watch as Bing Chat effortlessly responds, presenting the suitable Chinese translation. While Bing Chat's capabilities are certainly impressive, it is wise to acknowledge that accuracy can vary, especially in intricate or delicate language uses. As a prudent step, consider seeking a second opinion in matters of significance. Thank you for joining us today. Now, you are ready to use Bing Chat as your Chinese translation companion. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.